Alright, skipper one here. If you don't like trunk videos and kick scores, you're gonna have a bad time. Hit the unsubscribe button because it's coming. So I got the mic and the kick. I went ahead, I just wanted to see, I want to try to do the same power level and just a comparison between the FU 300 and like a beefier sub. So these are the Cab Ultras. They are supposed to be like the not knockoff, but very, very similar to the SA Ultras that never came out, quite honestly, because I think they had an issue between prototype to production. But I got these in on a trade, so I got the amps hooked up. I got still got the directed audio, dynamic audio, 2300.1, and they're at half ohm. So I might just do. So that's like a 0.6 gain. Ooh, that's legit. 151, 1357 watts. In the kick, 56 hertz trunk car. I'll take that. I'll take that.